Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share about Datatable plugin of jQuery. What is Datatable and how to use it. So first of all, I created a simple HTML page, and here I retrieve the data from one table of my database, and I show the data. When I run this, we can see like this. This table you see, this is data table. Data table means to show the data in a beautiful form. Here you can see I use the HTML table with data table plugin, jQuery data plugin. Here you can see there is a search function, there is paging. Here we can choose how much page we want to share. Here if I click on 25, here 25 rows will show. If I click on 10 rows, and here pagination. Here you can see pagination. It is very useful because it does not reload the page. Only this UI chain. It shows the data without reloading the page. We can use pagination, and we can use search function. For example, if I search for FMD186, for example, FMD, here you can see the data of FMD will show. If I search for Palm, you can see the data, the username with Palm will show. If I search for sum, the data of sum will show. So data table is we do not have to write for this search functions, this pagination. It also built-in function. We have to only use it. We have not to write anything for search and pagination. Here now I will show how to use this method. In Node, first of all, I use this with Bootstrap 5, data table Bootstrap 5. So we have to link some Bootstrap link and data table link. Here I first link Bootstrap 5 link, and Bootstrap 5 two Bootstrap 5 links, and here data table CSS link. And here this is jQuery plugin, so we have to also link jQuery link here, and Bootstrap JS link. This to a Bootstrap JS link, bootstrap.bundle.main.js. Yeah, bootstrap.bundle.main.js to Bootstrap JS link, and this is to data table JS link. So we have to first link this URLs to our project. So first of all, Bootstrap link, Bootstrap CSS link, Bootstrap JS link, and jQuery link, and data table CSS link, data table JS link. Here we can search easily data table CD and Bootstrap file link, and there we can get the links from official website datatables.net. We have to first link these links to our project. Here in my course, I link this URL. Here you can see Bootstrap, two Bootstrap links here, and data table CSS link. Here in scripted, a jQuery link, a Bootstrap JS link, to Bootstrap JS link, and a data table JS link. After linking this URL to our project, now we can use the data table. So after linking that URLs, we now can use data table to our project. So how to use? First we have to give the table tag one id. You can give any id, any name, and we have to call this id in script tab as $hash datatable dot datatable. Here this tag, with this dot datatable we can now use datatable functions easily. So in this project I gave this table here, table id data table. I give this table. If I do not give this, for example, if I do not use data table, it shows like this. There is no paging, there is no search box, there is no pagination. So after adding data table we can now use paging, search function and pagination. Here you can see I give is to the id data table, and in script tag here you can see I will show you a simple to use simple data table we have to declare that id we give above in table tag and dot data table. Like this we can now use the data table functions. If I reload the page, here you can see paging, pagination and search box. We also can customize this data table here. With this this is with simple data table. Now what I do, I order from decreasing. So it is start from increasing method 1 2 3 4. I order this data table in decreasing method. So if I save and run, here you can see this is in the description method, and here I give page length 50. So this is page length 50. If I give this page length 10, here only 10 data will show. Like this we can customize this data table. And here I give searching false. That means this is search method is false in this case. If I remove this, here you can see search box is available now. Like this, paging false. If I give this, there is no paging. Here you can see, and all the data will show. So paging true. If I give true, the paging will work. So like this we can also add new columns in data table, new rows in data table. From here there are many methods we can customize this data table. We can also other change the data of this data table, this paginations, searching and filtering, everything. There are many other things we can do. We can customize this data table from here. This is only a few examples I show you. There are many other things we can customize to our data table. So by using this data table we can easily searchable and paging and pagination we can add easily. Not we have to write everything to do this function. So this is the about introduction of how to use data table of jQuery. So thank you very much for your attention.